I just want to go over a couple of the cautions about sample surveys and things that you need to look out for if you are actually conducting your own surveys. The first one is undercoverage, and that is probably one of the most common issues with surveys. And basically, undercoverage is when some groups are being left out. So I do a random digit dialer and I'm calling numbers. Obviously, if I'm randomizing digits, cell phones will be included. But what about people that don't have a phone or those who are homeless, that type of thing? Those groups are being left out of the process of actually choosing the sample. So that is considered undercoverage. Non-response is another major issue, and that occurs when they refuse to cooperate or they cannot be contacted. So think about how many times you've answered your phone and it's a surveyor and you hang up on them or you refuse to answer. That is causing a non-response in their survey. So non-response is another caution I have about using sample surveys. And the last one is the response bias. This can be caused by the interviewer, especially where a question is worded to sway a respondent to answer in a certain manner, maybe towards towards an opinion that they wouldn't necessarily have if the question were asked in a manner that was not biased. So, for example, making them watch a video on hunger and then asking them what their thoughts are about donating money to a certain organization or that type of thing, or asking a question in a way that, millions of people are hungry all around the world. Do you think hunger is a problem? Or something along those lines that would sway the respondent to answer in a manner that they would not if the question were not worded in that way.